With the aim of faithful and professional, serve pulp and paper industry, Yunda has won the refurbishment and maintenance service orders of high-consistency refiner and drum pulper from domestic and overseas markets in year 2022. Yunda signed a contract with Tianhe Company to refurbish 6 sets of high-consistency refiners of European brand, of which 3 sets have been delivered and are running well.
Our son's defibrator brand high-consistency refiner used for CTMP line have been repaired by Yunda. The performance reaches the level of imported equipment. Now they are running well and the quality is stable.
Yunda have successfully repaired more than 20 sets of drum pulper, and including 3 sets of drum pulpers with a diameter of 4.5 meters, 4,500 millimeters. Customers cover domestic and overseas area such as Hebei, Chongqing, Liaoning, Fujian, Hubei, Zhejiang, Jiangxi, Shaanxi, Hunan, Shandong, India, etc. Yunda's professional maintenance team has superb skills in solving refurbishment and maintenance difficulties of high-consistency refiner and drum pulper, such as high precision requirement, large size, complex on-site condition, and tight schedule. They formulate maintenance plans after field investigation to guarantee equipment performance, and provide turnkey services.